Hey guys, welcome to the Magnet AIO guide, and today I'm going to be going through each module and helping you guys set up some tasks. So first off, make sure you guys go into settings and put in your Discord webhook and also enter in your 2cap or CapMonster API keys. So first off, we're going to be covering the Amazon module. So first we're going to head to the accounts tab. We're going to click on add account. We're going to select Amazon US or CA and then paste in your Amazon accounts and select your proxies. So here's just the test. We're going to click on save, and once you guys add an account, it's going to say login required. Next, click on this button and click on login. Magnet is going to automatically enter your email and password and login for you and create a session. Once your account is logged in, you guys are ready to start creating some tasks. So we're going to start off by creating a task group for Amazon US or CA. So before we start creating some tasks, we're going to configure our watch tasks. So you guys have the option to use server-side monitoring, or single SKU, or you guys can monitor groups. So for server-side monitoring, just tick on the server-side button, select the groups you want to monitor. You guys can monitor multiple SKU groups, then just click on save. And now you're ready to create some tasks for your server-side monitoring. So we're going to create a task, select our account, select our proxies, I recommend ISPs, and then choose default for the mode, and click on save. Now you can start your watch task and then your account task. Because this is just the test account, we're just getting a few errors. So now I'm going to walk you guys through on how to set up your watch task without server-side monitoring. So we're going to select our PS5 group just as an example. We're going to choose our ISPs. And for mode, we're going to select on Infinity. Infinity uses the offer ID and it works really well on limited drops and restocks and is much faster than classic mode. Only use classic mode if you do not have the offer ID. You guys also have the option to use price checking, but if you guys only want products sold by Amazon, then just deselect price check. And if you guys are going to do single SKU monitoring, just enter in the SKU and the offer ID and select Infinity mode. For example, if you do not have the offer ID, just enter in the SKU and select on classic mode. The recommended delays are 1500, 1500, 2000, and 10. And that's it for the Amazon module. So next we're going to go over the Walmart US and CA modules. So we're going to start off by creating a Walmart US task group. So now we're going to start creating some tasks. Enter in your SKU, put in the offer ID if you guys have it, select your Walmart account or guest checkout, select your profiles, and then you guys can select your proxies and product quantity. So now for mode, you guys can select default or autogen. Autogen will automatically generate a Walmart account for you and the login will be in your webhook. And now we're going to go over the Walmart CA module. So we're going to click on the create task button. And now you guys can enter in your SKU and you guys can either use Walmart accounts or guest checkout. Here you can select your product quantity, select your profiles, and then for mode, you guys can use a mix of default and fast. And you guys can also select if you guys want PX auto solve or manual solve. If you guys decide not to use auto solve, go into your CAPTCHA settings, log into your account, and make sure you guys have a solver open to start solving your PX CAPTCHAs. And now for the delays, I recommend using 3000, 3000, and 10. And now for the Footsites module. While creating your task group, you guys can enter in the SKU right in this box. Once that's created, you guys can start creating your tasks. You guys can select the size, your profiles, the proxies, and the quantity. And for mode, select release if you guys are going for a release, and default if you're not. And for the delays, I recommend using 3500 and 3500. And now for the Essence module. Next, we're going to create a task, enter in our SKU, select our checkout proxy. We're going to select our accounts for Essence, our product quantity, and our profiles. And you guys have the option to use PayPal if you guys want. And now for the Microsoft US and CA module. Before we start creating some tasks, we're going to have to start adding some accounts for Microsoft. So go over to the Accounts tab, add an account, select Microsoft US or CA, enter in your email and password, and now it's going to say login required. Just click on this button and click on login. It's going to automatically fill in your email and password, and all you have to do is click on next and sign in. And now you guys are ready to start creating some Microsoft tasks. So click on create tasks, enter in the product ID, SKU, and availability. These can be found in the Magnet Discord. And now you can select your accounts. An important thing to note is not to use the same credit card on more than 2 accounts. And now for mode, if you guys logged into your Amazon account and already pre-filled your information, you can use default mode. But if this is a brand new Microsoft account without your details entered in, click on In-Bot Profile. And you guys can select a profile to use. And then finally select your proxies and create your task. The recommended monitoring delay is 3,000 to 5,000, your error delay at 4,000, and timeout at 10. And that concludes the Microsoft module. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.